Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Telegram wallet in 2025. So this is going to be a full guide. Make sure you watch till the end to learn everything about this topic. So first of all, navigate to Telegram on your mobile phone. Now you'll have to simply click on the search icon at the top and search for wallet. Now click on the wallet icon at the bottom left of the screen and this will open up wallet on your mobile phone. Now on this page you will see your wallet's balance available at the top. So if you have more than $1 you can easily withdraw your money from Telegram wallet. You'll have to just click on the P2P market button available just right here. Click on this P2P market button and it will take you to this page. Here you'll have to click on the sell option available here. Now when you click on sell, it will take you to this page. On this page you'll have to choose method. Now when you click on method, you will see this page where you can choose the method of transfer. You can choose UPI, Paytm, Google Pay, NEFT, bank transfer and other methods available. Simply choose the method you want and click on done. Now you can choose the verification, whether you want the verification from a trusted merchant or all merchants. Now after doing this, you can click on the currency and choose the currency for your transaction. For example, I'm going to choose Euro. Now scroll right and click on the crypto option. Now choose what kind of crypto you want to sell your money in. So we have USDT, TON and other bitcoins available. You can choose any one of these. After you do this, you can simply click on the sell option after any of the trades that you want is good. You can click on the sell option and it will take you to this page. Now you can choose how much of the money you want to withdraw. After you add the money, you'll have to choose the payment method. So click on add, choose the payment method, add your payment credentials on this page, then click on the add payment method button available at the bottom. After you do this, you can easily click on this continue button and you would have successfully completed this transaction. And once the transaction is completed, the money that you'll have in your Telegram wallet will be withdrawn to your bank account. So that is a simple way to withdraw money from Telegram wallet. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.